Hello, my friend. Welcome to my studio.
One common mistake that every beginner artist makes is shading sparingly, so there are a lot of gaps. Usually students don't shade to the edge but leave the space in between. To fix that mistake, you need to shade through the edges and overlap the colors. And not being afraid to shade over the edge some to get rid of the white spaces.
If you'd like to show your support, please share this video with your friend or buy a book from me. It's sold on Amazon. To reduce gaps like you see here and shade tight like you see here, you want to have a very sharp point and then a shade by overlapping the color all the time. See, I don't have a gap between these two values. I shaded so tightly next to the outline that it seems to be fused, as opposed to this area, for example. Depending on the area you are working on, you change your stroke. Sometimes it's just up and down stroke for me over here because I want this to be in the background, but oftentimes I do some cross hatching to get rid of all these gaps. Thanks so much for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel and check out other valuable videos about colored pencil techniques, art materials, and art history. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye bye.